Let me give you one side note which will always help you is when you actually admit that you don't know something, you become more humble. Hi beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita, your friend over here, back again with another video for all of you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and be part of this tribe. It really helps us to reach to more people. As you can see from the title itself, this video is going to be about why you don't need to know everything. I'm laughing because you might be wondering why she is not saying anything. This is exactly we feel where we want to know everything. You were just waiting for me to say something. You were not here to see me silent. You were like, why is she not saying? Why? Because you are prone to know everything. Like if she is talking in front of camera, that means she will say something. So my question to you is, have you ever felt like you need to know everything? Like if you don't know, you feel like you are behind in life. Have you ever felt that? Have you been in that spot? But what if I tell you the best thing that could ever happen to you is not knowing what will happen? It might sound crazy. Just stay with me. By end of this video, you will actually come to know why it's so good that you don't know everything. The first thing what I realize is when you just try that you know everything, there is so much of pressure you hold and you struggle because you are just showing out there that you know it all. But in reality, you are struggling to know the things. And the universe is so vast, there will be always a scope to know something. If you just come across as someone who knows everything, how will you grow in life? It just kills the curiosity when you know everything. If you know everything, how you will explore, experiment and expand in life? I think kids are the best example of this. They are so curious to know everything. They ask millions of questions because they don't know anything. And the great thing is because we know that they are kids, they don't know certain things. They are just starting their journey. We just tell them, we just guide them and we just show them the path forward. But what if they come across as they know everything? How will their life be? They will not learn and grow in life. And that's the reason, they are always excited. Whenever I see kids, I just see them, they are full of enthusiasm and energy. They are curious, they are excited in each and every moment. I sometimes feel crazy to answer their question because they have loads of questions to ask. They are always asking so many questions. But the sad reality with us is we have just lost that curiosity growing up. Knowing everything just removes the excitement also. What if you went for watching a movie and just beforehand like what is going to happen in the movie? Don't you think like you will be least interested in watching that movie? And the reason to it is going to feel boring to you. The suspense is already disclosed to you. You will feel like, why when I'm wasting my time and energy watching this thing when I already know the outcome? When you already know what is going to happen in the movie. I feel our life is just like a movie. If we know everything beforehand, we won't perform. The beauty of life is because we don't know, whatever we are doing will turn into failure or success. We just give our best being in the present moment. Let me give a little example over here. Recently I had a strange conversation with a stranger. Over there, he said a very beautiful thing. He was like, don't you think nobody knows what is going to happen in future? Past is already gone. The only thing we have in our hand is the present moment. So just be in the present moment, make most of it, and if it is meant to, it will happen. If not, something best will come. The context was so amazing and I felt like sometimes we just need to hear that. And the uncertainty in life actually makes it exciting. But what we do to ourselves is we just try and control everything, because of which we feel overwhelmed. When you know everything, it can be so overwhelming for you that you won't even take action. The information overload is so real. When you try and know everything, you will feel paralyzed by having so much of information, and you will be like, despite you having all the information, all the ideas, why you are not able to take action? The reason you are not able to take action is because you are trying to control the situation. You are trying to know the outcome before even starting or doing that thing, because of which you are not able to start. And the more you want to know and try and control things, you will just feel stressed. And I feel sometimes the reason people feel stressful is because they are not able to be in uncertainty. And the reason I'm so laughing over here is because there was a phase in my life also where I used to be control freak. I always want to know what will happen if I do certain things, then only I'll take action. But life doesn't go that way. If you don't learn this concept, life has a very beautiful way to teach you all this thing. Ultimately, we all are here to learn and grow and expand. So if you don't learn it easy way, life actually teaches you hard way that life is all about uncertainty. But the beauty of not knowing is it's a gift of not knowing. It just helps us to keep learning. Every great discovery that has ever happened, it only happened because someone didn't knew something. There was that curiosity, like, okay, I want to know what this will do if I do this. So because Thomas Edison didn't knew how to make the bulb, the light, that's how he invented it. Just imagine if he already knew if he will do this will happen. I don't think the light would have evolved. So I feel like that's the beauty of life. When you don't know certain things, you just try and experiment. Let me give you an example over here. Have you seen that you try and experiment, you are doing certain things, but while experimenting, you actually discover something more amazing than what you were aspiring for. I have seen this being a creative person myself. I start certain projects certain way, but towards end it just turns out magical. Even I don't understand sometimes, like, how amazing this has turned and how this has happened. But I feel like the only reason it turns the way it turned is because I just keep on taking action and I just explore and experiment. And when you don't know certain things like how to do it, you actually invent a new way. All the invention has only happened because someone didn't knew and they were curious to do certain things. Let me give you one side note which will always help you is when you actually admit that you don't know something, you become more humble. You will be more curious and attentive to know from the person who actually knows it. And the win-win situation over here is you will also build a deeper connection. You will learn so much from the person who actually knows certain things. And I have seen that the people who says that they know it all actually miss out on growth. When you come across this way, no one want to tell you. Again, I was having this conversation other day. I was just listening in that conversation for longest time. Why? Because I was curious to learn, grow, and know other person perspective. I think that's what the life is about. Now you might be wondering how I should actually embrace this not knowing phase. The first thing what you can do, which we have actually missed out upon, is ask more question. There was a time when one of my closest person was traveling and he was just, nervous, like, I'm going to a different culture, I'm going for the learning. How will I come across when I don't know certain things? The abroad culture is like when you ask them question, they actually appreciate you. They don't demean you or they don't see you in a way like, oh, you are a stupid or something like that. They actually appreciate it. I have seen this during my masters also. Whenever I came across as like, I don't know certain things, I actually attracted people who have taught me so much. I learned so much during my that journey because I was curious. I have asked so many questions. I never shied away like how I'm coming across. And when you can be this way, you will be unstoppable. You will just see there is no limit to how much you can grow. If you can ask question, that's the best place to be in. And no question is a silly question until and unless it's a silly question. That's what the saying goes. And you know why it is said? Because we sometimes feel that this is a silly question. But in reality, if you don't know something, That's not silly, yeah. That's how you actually learn and grow. So be silly at time, but ask question. It is said that every expert today was a beginner someday. That's so true. If that expert was always like this, that I know it all, I don't think that person would have become this expert. The reason he's expert today is because there was a time when he didn't knew anything. So if you want to be expert in anything that you're doing in life, just be a beginner. And I feel like always be a beginner in life, because if you're a beginner, you will learn each and every day something new. So the goal is not to know everything, the goal is to keep on learning. And the last thing I want to say over here is enjoy the process. Stop worrying about knowing it all and having all the answers. Life is not actually testing you, it's just an adventure. We all are here to experience different things. And when you go in this adventure, being curious, not knowing, you will see there are so many things that will unfold in front of you. So you will only enjoy this journey when you are exploring and when you're curious and you are comfortable not knowing everything. Life is not testing you. You are here to just experience life. And lastly, I wanna say, have you seen those people who are control freak and just a mimic, who just try to control everything? Their body language, their energy is so reserved. They are not open to experience new things. They just are here living their day-to-day life. And that's how you will see when you are saying yes to certain adventure, when certain things are presented in front of you, the way you respond to certain things actually takes you towards new journey. And you will see like, okay, just because you have said yes to certain things, you were open to not knowing everything, you have discovered something new. Go and connect this to your own journey and you will find the resonance and evidence in your own life. So this is the reality. Just see, the energy of this video is so different, and you yourself comment and let me know what difference have you seen in this video, because I was operating in this video from not knowing where this video will lead and where it's taking me. The next time when you feel like you don't know everything, just smile and tell yourself that this is a superpower. It means you're growing, you're expanding, and you're open to new possibilities. And that's where the growth happens. Now I want to know from you, what was that thing that made you feel bad in that moment, like why you don't know certain things, just to realize later that it was great, it was good that you didn't knew that thing, and it just helped you grow. So drop in the comment and let me know your experience. I'm looking forward to read your experience so that we all can learn from each other and grow together. Thanks for being here till end. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and be part. And I'm so grateful and happy to see all your comments. I read all your comments, so please comment and let me know. It just makes me feel happy and inspire me to do all this. I'm looking forward to connect with all of you in my next video. Sending you lots of love and light. Signing off from my side. Until next time, keep shining bright. Bye-bye.